The sit spin, the easiest vault that you can do and master right now. So let's break it down. Step number 1, this vault requires you to enter backwards. We're going to start off with placing your hands down to sit on the wall first, and then you're just going to try and step up, around, using your hands to finish safely. Step number 2, now that we're on backwards, we're going to try and get over without putting your foot on top of the wall. This requires you to kick over using your hand behind here for support, kicking and going straight over without touching the wall with your feet. And step number 3, this is actually quite optional. I like this move as a slow move to try and get over. I usually use this when I do a big day of jumping, my legs are sore. If you're holding something, you can do this, sit down and get over. But for those who want to make this skill a little bit more advanced, we can use it as a hip spin that you did on the floor, but this time up on here. And so what we're going to do, you're going to place your hand onto the wall, nice and fast, and then try and kick over. That's the advanced version of the sit spin.
Let's go! Real quick, if you're loving all of this, but you want to take your parkour to the next level, then I've got something for you. Parkour360 Academy. Inside, you'll find the world's largest online parkour library to master the art of movement. You'll also get instant access to our global parkour challenge called Skill Quest. More importantly, you'll find other parkour athletes to connect with, access the global parkour spot map, and learn from other tracers with years of parkour experience. If you're a beginner looking to get started for the first time, or a seasoned parkour athlete to go professional, you're in the right place. Click join to get started for free, and we'll see you on the inside. So get out there, train hard, and play differently. Let's go.